Welcome students to my channel My Way Learning. To continue with our topic food, today we are going to learn about minerals. In our previous section, we learned about fats, proteins, carbohydrates and vitamins. In this section, we learn about minerals. Why we need minerals? For healthy and active life, we need different types of minerals. Minerals like calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine. They are important part of our diet. Now let us learn from which sources we get calcium and what are their function. Milk and green leafy vegetables are the source of calcium, and calcium is good for healthy bones and teeth. If a person is suffering from weak bones, then we ask them to add calcium in their diet. Like calcium, phosphorus is also good for healthy bones and teeth. One can get phosphorus from milk, egg, fish, green vegetables and pulses. Now the next important mineral is iron that you get from pulses, nut, spinach, beans and apple. Iron is required for the formation of hemoglobin in our blood and it protects us from infections. If a person is suffering from low hemoglobin, then that person feels very weak and its color looks pale. So that person should add these food sources in its diet like pulses, spinach, beans, etc. Then iodine. One can get iodine from simple iodized table salt or the seafood like fish and prawns. Iodine is necessary for normal growth and development of the body. Now from the above discussion, what we come to know that how calcium, phosphorus, iron and iodine are also important for the body. So one should add all type of diet in their diet plan. Now let us learn other essential things like roughage and water. First of all, let us understand what is roughage. Roughage is the fiber present in the food which we get mainly from fruits, vegetables, pulses and whole grains. They do not provide any nutrients to our body. Fiber doesn't contain any nutrients, but it helps our body to get rid of undigested food. One can ask a question, if fiber has no nutrient value, then why we need to add that in our diet? Because fiber helps our body to get rid of undigested food. It also helps us to avoid overeating. Can you think of it? How? Because when you add fiber in your diet, when you add roughage in your diet, your stomach feel like full, so it helps you to avoid overeating and make you fit. So roughage is also important part of our diet. Now the next one is water. The same way, water doesn't contain any nutrients, but it helps in digestion of food and absorption of nutrients in our body. It is also essential for our body to function properly. It helps in throwing out waste from the body. So one should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day so that they don't get dehydrated. Now let us learn about balanced diet. In this section we have learned about all the nutrients and their importance. So, a diet which contains all the nutrients in appropriate amount, that means in the right amount. The carbohydrate, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals should be in the right amount of one's diet. That diet is known as balanced diet. If a person is keep eating only fats throughout the day or throughout the life, then that person will become obese. On the same way, if we go through only on proteins, then we lack carbohydrate or the other nutrients. So we should add all of these nutrients in proper amount, and that diet is known as balanced diet. People need different amount of nutrients according to their age and the work they do. For example, a growing child need more protein, carbohydrate and fats compared to the old person who are not very active. Can you tell me why? A growing child need more proteins because at that stage their body is growing, and proteins are body building food which help them to grow properly. Same way, they need more carbohydrate and fats as they are energy giving food. And a growing child is very active. They run throughout the day and they do lots of activity throughout the day. On the other hand, an old person who was not very active right now, so they don't need that much energy a child need. Therefore, their diet should contain less amount of carbohydrate and fats. I hope I make myself clear, and now you plan your diet chart according to the nutrient values of the food. Now you have learned which food contains which nutrients and which is good for your health. So one should add all the fruits and vegetables and pulses in their diet for healthy and active lifestyle. For more updates, keep watching my channel, My Way Learning. Don't forget to like, subscribe my channel. Thank you.